Consumer journeys, once predictably simple, now a complex web of super-speed highways, where consumers can jump in or out at any time, full of choices, always on, and anything but 100% predictable. Consumers now shop on their terms, expect more, and use more. We've mapped the new consumer paths and located our opportunities. There are different paths to buying a garage door opener. We will focus on the something's broke pathway. It's complex, but when broken down, it's now clear and full of marketing opportunities. When a consumer's old garage door opener breaks, they may simply buy a new one or will investigate why. This consumer decides to go online to research the problem. Here, they realize they need to replace their entire system instead of just a component. Now, they need to select the right GDO for their needs. Instead of purchasing a new GDO direct from a local retailer, they decide to order online and pick up in store. They found the right product, where, when, and how they wanted to. Having had such a great experience with Chamberlain, they decide to share out. With this map and the others, we are on the path of success and positioned for growth today and tomorrow. We are Chamberlain.